Hey guys, wanted to make a quick video that may end up helping somebody here. If you've got a Baofeng DM-32UV DMR radio and you're having issues not being able to either connect to duplex hotspots or DMR repeaters, I'm going to show you a trick here. It seems to affect only some of these radios, not all of them. As you can see here, when you go into an actual channel, let me pull up and I'll go some for the repeater. If it's only transmitting on the RX frequency, even if you go into the radio and check the settings on the front panel, and you programmed it via the CPS, you need to click this, forbid talk around. For some reason, some of these radios default into talk around, and even if set through the CPS, they will not transmit on the repeater frequency. So if you've programmed the radio via the CPS, make sure you click that talk around button. That should get you going and be able to connect to a duplex hotspot or DMR repeater. Hope that helps somebody. Took me a while to figure that out, and a lot of hair pulling if I had any hair. So catch you later. N4AR.